So I'm going to keep it 100% for everyone watching today's video. This challenge is a little bit tricky. The 100 sold challenge start, yes, you do have a bunch of money to work with off the beginning, but at the current moment in time, we're going through a very bad market. So yeah, some new mints could pop off. Some previous mints that we're building could absolutely die in floor value over just a week. So making plays and investments throughout good strategies can be quite the opposite. Either way, welcome on back, episode number 2 of the 100 to 1000 Solana trading challenge. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for clicking on to today's video, and hey, smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Couple of things first is I do want to do a little bit of the NFT market update. We do have the baked beavers currently minting. They've been in public sale for about 5 hours now, and as you can see, they've only minted out 56% between whitelist and public. This is in no way, shape, or form to FUD this project. I actually minted 2 of these myself on the 100 soul challenge. Even projects like Reckless Raccoon Club, these guys had over 200,000 followers on their Twitter, producing a collection of what we thought was 8,888. 2 soul mint price, and they cut the supply down to an 1,888. We're seeing less projects mint out at these high collections, at these high Solana prices, and the floor prices seem to drastically differ as soon as they're public. Project looks dope, it looks cool, I like the utility, but I mean, dude, it's just the market we're in right now is so hard to predict. The Snuggle Squad whitelist did fully go through, and they're in public sale for about 4 hours now, and we see 16% minted. Haven't heard of the project, no idea what it is. They've got 27,000 followers on Twitter. The Sleep to Earn venture, and they're not minted out right now. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of an analyst update on the 100 soul wallet, what we've been buying, what we're trading, what we're doing, what the floor price is looking like. At the moment, we're sitting at a 78.46 Solana floor price. We do have to go ahead and subtract 13 from that, as I am borrowing a rare key to snipe NFTs. So we're looking at about a 65 Solana floor price. The newest project is an 888 collection called Senzoku, which is going to be a gambling revenue sharing kickback sort of system, where they have gained a bunch of attention today. 8 Solana average sale price at a 12 Solana floor price. We just saw these hit upwards of 20 max, and they're still trading very actively at this 11 to 12 range. I mean, dude, we're getting so many sales right now. This was supposed to be a 2K supply, and they cut down to an 888. We can kind of compare this project with Looties, another 600 supplied collection offering you a casino, Web3 gambling for revenue share back to the holders. So on the wallet, as we can see, I did pick up 2 of these. I like the project, the artwork's pretty cool, and I am still holding these as the reveal for the cards will be on Monday, where you can see if you have the bronze, silver, gold, black card, whatever the 3 are for different royalty kickbacks per trait. Again, this video is not financial advice, so please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor in any way, shape, or form. I'm just gambling my money. Also, like the video. All right, let's talk about a DGen mint that is shown to go all the way down to a 0.00 Solana floor price. That's gonna be called the Ozama. I don't know what the fuck these things are. We bought these at about 0.02 to 0.03 each. It was supposed to be like some sort of DAO that could pop off with all the Skellies down, all the Ghost Kid down, and I thought these could pump up to maybe 0.1. They did not. We failed. I did pick up a second Older Mages at around that 5 Solana floor price when I had originally bought the first one for around 12. These things ran up to about 16, 17, and apparently their developer or someone on the team, the core, supplier of the project, got into an accident or had some IRL issues. So a lot of FUD came about the project. I'm still holding on to 2 of these as I think they can, execute what they're promising, and I'm looking forward for them to get it back on track. DGen Dolphins, the fantastic flippers, let's just not talk about those. DGen mint ran by OX Function, free mint, free fucking, no roadmap, nothing like that. They're dead. I'm currently trying to sell my 2 Jikins. I got this epic one for I think 3, and I minted this one for 3, selling it for 5, and I got my other Jikin for I think 3.2. Techies down pretty bad on this trade here. Very unfortunate. We did buy this rare one over on the right side here for I think 9, and we still have Vandal City that we did mint for 2 Solana or 2.5 or 3. Still holding on to it. I love the heist and missions they have over here. I love their gamified system behind it. Okay, collection 7% listed, super cheap price in my opinion. I think I can sell it for like a 2 soul flip though in the near future. A little bit more about Senzoku. This was supposed to be a 2,000 supply like I mentioned earlier. They're building up a Web3 gambling system where you can convert NFTs or Solana straight into their gem system, which you can use for gambling. You can multiply your gems to withdraw from their NFT, kind of like Vault, or straight back to Solana. I think the only game they have at the moment is going to be called Roulette, which is basically bet on purple, yellow, or blue. Yellow is going to be a 14x, and then purple and blue will be a 2x. So basically a coin flip with the like green roulette multiplier on their gold. Do not condone gambling. I'm not affiliated with this project at all. I did buy up quite a few of these as I think they can pump. Not financial advice, dude. Do your own fucking research, man. I was talking about a project that got flooded into the fucking ground, bro. Primates, 80,000 volume. They peaked upwards of a 22 Solana floor price, stabilizing at around 15 plus. 6K holders out of a 10K, 12% listed. These things have fucking shown to be something worth of value. I always loved the artwork. These things went straight below mint price, and the FUD day 1, day 2 was just bad, man. These things have turned around. They have turned around like crazy. I'm so bad. I'm pissed. I slept on these. I shouldn't have. I really love the artwork and the collection overall. They all look pretty different as well, and they're showing to have some great volume and track record so far. We'll see how they continue to go. I might get into these sub 10, but I gotta chill for a little bit. Midnight Panthers as well did just mint 1,560 total listed. I believe it's a 10K as well, but currently they're sitting just at about that mint price. And the volume is pretty active here as well on a newer mint. As you can see, 50 pages, 500 sales in 4 hours. Solana Monkey Business. I just want to touch this up for like a market update, but Solana Monkey Business is apparently being transferred over to the Monkey DAO, which is going to be like a group of people that try to take over the project originally, and they don't want the original founders and developers to run this project and to get all the royalties from it. And we've seen them jump like crazy. So many sales in the past day from around a 135, 140 Solana floor price all the way back over to a 200 Solana floor price and some sales upwards of 300 plus. There is rumor, or there is speculation, I believe they signed something throughout the communities that they will be transferring the ownership of SMB, one of the first OG Solana projects, over to the Monkey DAO to completely execute it and handle it. Over 1 million volume. If you know, you know. Obviously we can't buy this right now. We don't have 200 soul sitting around. As I mentioned earlier, yes, we have 2 baked beavers receipts. I believe you will be getting airdropped 2 baked beavers per mint. They did change it up a little bit. So essentially I paid 1.25 Solana per baked beaver NFT, 2.5 each receipt. You get 2 NFTs, 2.5 divided by 2, you get 1.25. I'm getting 4 NFTs for around 5 soul. Not too bad at all. One last quick thing I do want to touch up on during this market is I do want to invest in more tool projects, more of these builders, more projects that are kind of making a name outside of branding or just overall hype. I think Smart C is a good example of that. Again, not financial advice. Please do your own research, but they're building a fully animated, or a fully AI, my bad, trading system, minting, overall floor price predictions and analytics around when they call projects and when they pump, when they sell them, just kind of like alerts to keep you intact with how to make flips on projects. And I see a rank 384 here for 4 soul. I'm gonna take this guy. He looks like Cody. Yo, guys, can you tag Cody down below? Because of the hat, you know, nothing, whatever. Another great example of building tools, building projects, and just future plans outside of branding, PFPs, and hype is going to be Blocksmith Labs. These are expensive. I wish I bought one when they were at 80. I could have sold it for 120, 125. But they're back down to around sub 100. Still looking to pick one up, but again, I'm broke on this account. So yeah, a quick few updates over on the 100 Soul Trading Challenge. Please leave me down below what you guys think I should pick up, what you guys think are pumping in the market at the moment. Leave your favorite projects down below that have decent investments or, you know, good ROIs. As mentioned, some goals on the account are going to be to get some blue chips, mid chips, Blocksmith Labs, possibly D-Gods. We don't really know yet. We still got to grow and trade and do some efforts here, but the market is hard to predict. So we're trying to make plays on the daily. And yeah, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe down below. And yo, this video is sponsored by FTX.us. FTX is the #1 cryptocurrency exchange that offers a full wide variety of NFTs as well throughout Ethereum and Solana, offering you the user $0 on all transactions and gas fees. And when using my links down below, you can save an additional 10% and earn a free 0.25 Solana. Trade $100 on the platform, support me and support the channel, and get a sign up bonus fee as well. FTX is just quite literally the biggest crypto exchange out there, introducing stocks very soon as well, and you can get a free cryptocurrency coin with every $10 that you trade on the platform. Again guys, links will be down below. Save an extra 10% on fees and get a free 0.25 Solana. Shout out to FTX for sponsoring today's video, and hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time, and peace out.
Chooky beat.